Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Satvika Gnanam, where we explore the depth of spirituality and self awareness.
Seventh shloka of chapter 12. तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्था मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्. O Arjuna, who fix their mind on me, I rescue them from the ocean of birth and death. 8th shloka of chapter 12. मय्येव मन आदत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः. Therefore, fix your mind on me and establish your intellect in me alone. Thereafter, you will abide solely in me. There is no doubt about it. 9th shloka of chapter 12. अत चित्तं समादातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय. If you cannot steadily fix the mind on me, O Arjuna, then seek to attain me through the yoga of practice.
If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and please click the bell icon for all the notifications. Thank you.